Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Grand Forks County in northeastern North Dakota, southeastern Nelson County in northeastern North Dakota, northwestern Cass County in southeastern North Dakota, southwestern Trail County in southeastern North Dakota, eastern Griggs County in southeastern North Dakota, northeastern Barnes County in southeastern North Dakota, Steele County in southeastern North Dakota, until 2:15 a.m. At 1:12 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cooperstown to near Bladen to near Page, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mayville, Hillsboro, Cooperstown, Northwood, Hatton, Portland, and Golden Lake. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage.